So conjugate acid base theory. So one H plus difference containing Bronsted acid and Bronsted base pairs are called as a conjugate acid base pairs. So one proton is the difference. The Bronsted acid base pairs only conjugate acid base pairs. So the substance which have more H plus ions, that is conjugate acid, whereas the which have less number of H plus is called conjugate base, which have less number of protons, that is conjugate base. For example, HCl, if you add to the water, then what happened? HCl is the acid, you know that it can be donate H plus, donate H plus. So this water is having lone pairs on the oxygen, which can be accept the H plus ion. So H plus donor is what? This is Bronsted acid, and H plus acceptor is what? Bronsted base, Bronsted base. Now if this is donates to H plus, then we will get to Cl minus. This is HCl is going to Cl minus, plus water is going to H3O plus, H3O plus. Again what happened? This H3O plus having excess of H plus ion, so it can be donate H plus to this. Now Cl minus accept. Now Cl minus is Bronsted base and H3O plus is Bronsted acid, because H plus donor. H plus donor. So here then what are the conjugate acid base pairs mean? HCl and Cl minus. HCl comma Cl minus are conjugate acid and conjugate base pairs. Conjugate acid and conjugate base pairs. Because one proton difference between these two species, which is having one proton excess, that is conjugate acid, which is having one proton less, that is conjugate base. Now the water and H3O plus, hydronium ion, H3O plus comma water. These are also conjugate acid and conjugate base respectively. H3O plus have one proton excess than water. So H3O plus is conjugate acid, H2O is conjugate base respectively. So this is conjugate acid base theory. So in this some type of questions if you see. So previous type of question, conjugate acid of HPO4 minus 2 ion, conjugate acid of HPO4 minus 2 ion. So if you see the concept, this is from a phosphoric acid, So you know that H3PO4 phosphoric acid, when it donate H plus ion, it gives H2PO4 minus and H plus. H2PO4 minus and H plus. This H2PO4 minus again donate to H plus and become HPO4 minus 2 and H plus. This HPO4 minus 2, HPO4 minus 2, then donate to PO4 minus 3 plus H plus. That means phosphoric acid donate 3H plus ions. Donate 3H plus ions. So in these three pairs, so what are the conjugate acid pairs? So now we'll discuss. Between these two species, this is having one H plus more than this. So this is conjugate acid, this is conjugate base. And between these two species, this is having one proton more than this, so now it is a conjugate acid, it is conjugate base. And between these two species, this is having one H plus more, so it is again conjugate acid, this is conjugate base. So the question is, so here H3PO4 can give so three type of conjugate acid base pairs, three type of conjugate acid base pairs. So here the question is conjugate acid of HPO4 minus 2. Conjugate acid of HPO4 minus 2. For this conjugate acid is what? For this conjugate acid mean the conjugate acid of this, and this is the conjugate base. So its conjugate acid have more proton than this. That means we should add one H plus. If you add one H plus, one negative decreases. So to this, if you add H plus, we will get to this H2PO4 minus. So the option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. If conjugate base of this, if the question is conjugate base of this mean, so for this conjugate base is what? If you remove one H plus, you will get conjugate base. So PO4 minus 3, it's a conjugate base. So this is the conjugate acid base theory, very important. Next, if you see, next salts and their hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis, if you see, very important concept. Their acidic nature, basic nature discussion. The question is the sodium acetate. The sodium acetate salt solution undergoes type of hydrolysis, undergoes what hydrolysis, what type of hydrolysis, acidic or basic, that is the question. And question number 2, and here the nature of salt, nature of salt, number 3, and here pH of the solution, pH of solution. So various types, so they will ask the questions. In such case, you have to see the solution in this case. So acetate ion CH3COONA in water, if you add water, it is split into ions CH3COO minus plus Na plus. In water it will be split into ions. So if you see these ions, in these ions, the acetate ion is coming from weak acid. This is formed from weak acid, coming from weak acid, that is acetic acid. So acetic acid, and Na plus is coming from strong base, that is NaOH. So this is the salt of weak acid and strong base. So this is the salt of weak acid plus a strong base. So salt of weak acid and a strong base, if you see. So here acetate ion and base OH minus ion, Na plus ion. This acetate ion is coming from weak acid, so it gives a strong conjugate base. Then Na plus ion coming from strong base, so it is a weak conjugate acid. It is called weak conjugate acid. So which is strong, that is more reactive. It may be strong conjugate base or strong conjugate acid, which can be more reactive. So in water, H plus OH minus ions are there. So this is more reactive. This is more reactive. More reactive means this will be react with water in the solution. So acetate ion, this is negative charge, so it will be abstract, react with H plus ion. So and come to formation of acetic acid, undissociated acetic acid is formed. So the acetate ion between cation or anion, negative ion, anion is reacting with water. So this hydrolysis is called answer. The hydrolysis is called anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis. And here the nature of the solution, if you see, the Na plus ions are free and OH minus ions are free in the solution, because H plus ions are combined with acetate ion. But Na plus ion is coming from strong base, that is weak conjugate base, mean less reactive. So it will not combine with OH minus ion. So in the solution, Na plus OH minus ions are free. So that's why the solution nature basic in nature. So the answer for this, basic nature, because OH minus ions are free. And pH of the solution, then pH of the solution is greater than 7. The answer for this, pH of the solution greater than 7, because OH minus ions free and pH is rises greater than that of 7.